involved, the attorneys are fine going forward, the jurors are fine going forward, I'm wearing a mask, it's not an issue. So CDC guidelines are changing. Anyway, so that ship has sailed. We are going forward with this trial. We're in the middle of it.
Okay,
If you want to have a different attorney, you don't get to choose a different attorney in the middle of the trial. We don't stop for you to get a new lawyer. You either proceed with Mr. Booker or you proceed by yourself, period. Two choices. Those are the only ones you have.
is that on record?
Yes, everything is on the record.
Okay, I would like to fire my attorney if I can find new
Okay,
counsel.
that is not an option. Okay, you're not listening to me, Mr. Bishop. The options are proceed